Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both devices, power on Google TV and your phone, and make sure they share the same Wi-Fi. Next, open Google Home and any required controller app. This is where you'll add input. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices and keep them close together so pairing is reliable. Once done, use the Google TV settings to search for accessory or Gamepad pairing. Follow the short on screen, prompts to initiate a secure connection, before moving to configuration. Now you configure the control layout and mapping. On Google TV, choose Add Accessory and pick the Gamepad profile, then switch to the controller app to assign sticks, buttons, and triggers where needed. Calibrate sensitivity and dead zones. This reduces drift and improves aiming. Once mapped, launch a compatible game or the controller tester on Google TV to check responsiveness. If latency occurs, move devices closer, prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi, or temporarily disable VPN. Make adjustments. Finish by saving your control profile and assigning it to the correct user or specific games so settings persist. Once saved, close apps and reload your game to confirm controls are active. If pairing fails or buttons misbehave, reboot Google TV and your phone, then repeat the pairing flow. This clears transient Bluetooth issues. If problems persist, reset the controller's Bluetooth state and check for firmware updates in the controller app. Updating often fixes compatibility. Keep one key tip in mind: restart both ends before deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.